Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the construction of the runway at the Sangster International Airport, and that's in Montego Bay, Jamaica. So the runway at Sangster International Airport is being extended. It's going to be extended by about 300 feet and 300 meters. It's going to be extended by 300 meters, and when finished, this will be the longest runway in Jamaica. So the existing runway is still operational, and they are doing the extension at this end of the runway, and then when finished, they'll just join everything together. As you can see, they have started to pave this section of the runway, so that means it should be finished soon. Alright, so currently, as of today, the longest runway in Jamaica is at the Norman Manley International Airport. But it's going to be very hard or very expensive to extend that runway, so they decided to extend this runway. And also, it makes sense because the Sangster International Airport is busier than the Norman Manley International Airport. And the airport in Kingston is the Norman Manley International Airport. That's the one that has the longest runway as of today. This is the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay, Jamaica. This is the busiest airport in Jamaica, and it's also the largest airport in Jamaica. So I guess as they were expanding the runway, there was no need, expanding the airport, there was no reason to expand the runway. But now they have decided to expand the runway. And just to give you an example of how large this airport is, it has 3 Starbucks in it. 3 Starbucks locations. That's how large this airport is. We have videos up on the channel about driving through the airport, the departure area, the arrival area, the outside of the airport naturally. So you can check that out. And this is just a quick tour to give you an update of what's going on with the runway extension. Alright, so where we are now, this is the White House area in Montego Bay. White House. There is a very popular hotel, Sandals White House, located around here. And it's literally next door to the airport. Alright, so it looks like this project will be finished soon. Looks like sometime next year. Alright, so we're going to head back out to the main road now. So this is where the construction trucks and workers access the construction site. I must say, I'm a bit surprised. This is the road you take to go to the Sandals Hotel, and look at it. I mean, you really, for such a nice hotel, you would think they would have a better looking road accessing the hotel. I'm really surprised. What do you guys think? Alright, so this is the Northern Coastal Highway. Turn left, you head out to the Rose Hall area. Turn right, you go into the city of Montego Bay. So on the right is the airport now, and the first section you're going to see is the runway extension, and then we'll see more footage of the actual airport. As we said, we have a few videos up of touring the Sangster International Airport, so you can take a look at those videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.